こんにちは。Welcome to consonants Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the N and the Ni consonant sounds as in na, ni, nu, ne, no. Consonants Japanese. As I mentioned in my intro video, there are three things you might want to keep in mind when you learn consonant sounds. Number 1, voiced or voiceless. Number 2, where the sound is produced inside the mouth. On this, check out my place of articulation video, the link in the description box below. Number 3, how the sound is produced inside the mouth. On this, check out my manner of articulation video. The link is also in the description. About the first point. The N sound, as in na, nu, ne, no, and the ni sound, as in ni, both of them are voiced consonants, meaning your vocal cords here vibrate. Next, about the second point. First, let's talk about the N sound, as in na, nu, ne, no. Take a look. The tip of the tongue touches the gum ridge behind the upper teeth. Next, the ni sound. As I said in the previous video, when consonants are followed by the E vowel, the place of articulation changes. Take a look. The tip of the tongue touches the bottom teeth. The front part of the tongue touches the back of the gum ridge behind the upper teeth. Take notice. With the ni sound, the place of articulation is the back of the gum ridge, not the front. Finally, the last point. Both N and ni sounds are nasal consonants. With nasal consonants, you let the air escape through your nose. With the N sound, the tip of the tongue touches the gum ridge behind the upper teeth, while the air escapes through your nose. Then you release the tongue to make the following vowel sound. With the ni sound, the tip of the tongue touches the bottom teeth, and the front part of the tongue touches the back of the gum ridge behind the upper teeth, while the air escapes through your nose. Then you release the tongue to make the following vowel sound. Now let's practice pronouncing na, ni, nu, ne, no. Connect both sounds with a, I, u, e, o. Repeat with me. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Alright, now let's practice pronouncing nani nu ne no using some real words. Repeat with me. Ana, ana. Ni, ni. Inu, inu. 猫猫斧斧 One last thing. Both hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters, so it's quite important for you to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. So check out my hiragana playlist. Also, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. So check out my Patreon page, the link in the description box below. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。